proud of you.
Chanda, thank you, Miss. Happy morning, Miss. I am Amrita. I am studying 5th standard in the 8th term, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you, Miss. Good morning, Miss. My name is G. Santana. I am studying 4th standard. Proverbs, no pain, no gain. உழைப்பின்றி ஊதியம் இல்லை. Talk less, work more. குறைவாக பேசு, அதிகம் வேலை செய். Good counsel has no price. நல்ல அறிவுரை விலைமதிப்பட்டது. Harsh makes waste. பதறாத காரியம் சிதறாது. All that greatest is not old. விண்ணுவதெல்லாம் பொன்னல்ல. Thank you, Miss. Good morning, Miss. My name is Sanjana Devi. I am studying 8th standard grade. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and very talented. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall do my parents, teachers, all adults, respect and train everyone. We courtesy. I do my country and my people. When my ocean in that well-being, properties, and as my blood. Thank you. Good morning, Miss. My name is K. Siddharth. I am studying 5th standard. Hindi vowels. A, I, E, U, Ikru, A, I, O, Au, Hum, Hagan. Thank you, Miss. Happy morning, Miss. My name is Yasachika. I am studying 3rd standard Hindi. Numbers name from 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thank you, Miss. Happy morning, Miss. My name is Seshandika. I am studying 5th standard. Indian hockey player Barbie Singh was born on 10th October 1924 at Haripur, Kalsa, Punjab. His team won 3 Olympic gold medals: 1948, 1952, 1956. Barbie Singh அக்டோபர் 10, 1924 அன்று பஞ்சாப் ஹரிப்பூர் கல்சாவில் பிறந்தார். 1948, 1952, 1956 ஆகிய ஆண்டுகளில் அவரது அணி மூன்று தங்கப் பதக்கங்களை வென்றார். Thank you to all. Good morning, Miss. My name is P. Nakshatra. We are studying 4th standard Hindi. Color rang black, kala white, sabed green, hara blue, pila yellow, pila red, lal. Thank you, Miss. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravid. सर्वाश्रय दाता जन गण मंगल नायक जय गे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय गे जय गे जय गे जय 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 गे थैंक यू வாழ்வில் செம்மொழி செய்பவனியே